Don't rain on my parade. Unpacking an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a colorful expression in the English language: rain on one's parade. This phrase is used quite frequently in both spoken and written English, and understanding it can add a nice layer of nuance to your communication skills. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, rain on one's parade, is an idiom that means to spoil someone's pleasure or plans, bring disappointment, or introduce a negative element into a positive situation. Imagine you're at a parade, enjoying the festivities and the joyful atmosphere. Then, suddenly, it starts to rain, dampening the mood and possibly even causing the event to be cancelled. The joy and excitement are spoiled by the rain. Similarly, when someone rains on your parade, they do something that diminishes your enjoyment or spoils your plans. While the exact origin of rain on one's parade is a bit murky, it's widely believed to come from the literal dampening effect rain has on outdoor events, such as parades. Over time, it was metaphorically extended to mean spoiling any event or occasion, not just those literally affected by weather. This idiom captures the essence of an unexpected or unwelcome event disrupting a moment of joy or a carefully laid plan. To help you understand how to use rain on one's parade, let's look at a few examples. I don't want to rain on your parade, but I have to tell you that the concert has been cancelled. Just as we were about to announce our engagement, her ex showed up and completely rained on our parade. He was really excited about his new job until he learned about the long commute, which kind of rained on his parade. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing the disappointment or spoiling of what was expected to be a pleasant or celebratory moment. While the phrase is commonly used, it's important to be mindful of the context and the way you use it to avoid offending anyone. Here are a few tips. Use it sympathetically. Acknowledge the person's disappointment. It's better to show empathy rather than just stating the phrase bluntly. Be cautious in professional settings. In more formal or professional contexts, consider using a more straightforward language to convey the message without potentially confusing idiomatic expressions. Know your audience. Some people enjoy the richness of idiomatic expressions, while others may prefer clear, literal language. Tailor your communication accordingly. Understanding idioms like rain on one's parade can greatly enrich your English communication skills, adding color and depth to your conversations. We hope this video helps you grasp not only the meaning but also the appropriate contexts for its use. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the culture and nuances that make communication truly vibrant. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.